Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Pro. It's a whole lot cheaper, if you have the right blender. If you already have a high-powered blender like a Vitamix, making homemade oat milk is significantly cheaper. If you're using a half-gallon of oat milk per week, Oatly would run you about $20 per month, and homemade oat milk would cost about $8 per month. 25 February 2020.
Take our lead.
The short answer is no, you don't always need to refrigerate your oat milk. Willa's oat milk is shelf-stable because the packaging has an airtight seal, allowing you to store it in your pantry until it's opened. 8 December 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
When substituting for heavy cream, go for Oatly's full-fat oat milk, which contains some added oil to give your recipe the fat it needs. Use it to creamify soups, pasta sauces, and more if you want the full cream experience for slightly less calories and fat, suggests Duddish. 22 December 2019.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Oat milk is a popular dairy-free, vegan-friendly milk substitute. Naturally, oat milk isn't as nutritious as whole oats. As a result, it's often enriched with nutrients, including calcium, potassium, iron, and vitamins A and D. Oat milk is unique in that it's free of many of the allergens found in other types of milk. 24 January 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
Supply and demand. There is no denying that oat milk is popular, increasingly so. This is another reason why oat milk tends to be as expensive as it is. In short, oat milk's price reflects the high demand for it as well as the production process not being as efficient as other plant-based milks, such as almond milk. 14 December 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.